Hello, students. We were talking about the first part. The first part represents parallel combination of two capacitors. The first capacitor having plate area A by 2 and the other capacitor having plate area A by 2, and the separation between both of them, the plate separation between both of them is D, and the in first capacitor K1 dielectric is introduced, and the other in other the dielectric with dielectric medium or having dielectric constant K2 is introduced. Now what will be the net capacitance in parallel combination? We had studied that net capacitance is C1 plus C2. So we'll put the value of C1 C के लिए जनरल एक्सप्रेशन क्या है, के एप्सिलॉन ए बाई डी. तो फर्स्ट कैपेसिटर की बात कर रहे हैं, इट मीन्स विल टेक K1 एप्सिलॉन A is A by 2 and D is same as D. So for first capacitor it is K epsilon A by 2 divided by D. Similarly we will write for second K2 epsilon A by 2 D. So Cp will be equal to, we will take the constant terms outside, epsilon A by 2D within bracket K1 plus K2. So in first case we have got the solution. Now let us come to the second case. In second case, what we have got, when dielectrics are filled in this way, we will say that it represents the series combination of two capacitors. The one capacitor having dielectric medium of dielectric constant K1 in between the plates, and other capacitors having a dielectric medium of constant K2 in between the plates. And plate area, see here, the thickness of each capacitor is, in this case, is D by 2 and D by 2, and the plate area remains same. So again we will get the net capacitance. नेट कैपेसिटेंस कौन सा कॉम्बिनेशन है, सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन, और सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन हमने किया है 1/CS इज इक्वल टू 1/C1 प्लस 1/C2. 1/CS इज इक्वल टू, वी विल यूज़ द जनरल फॉर्मूला 1/K एप्सिलॉन A बाई डी. तो फर्स्ट ले रहे हैं तो K1 लेंगे, और यहाँ एरिया सेम है और सेपरेशन क्या है, D by 2, that we had taken D by 2. We'll 1/CS will take the constant term outside, D by 2 epsilon A, 1/K1 plus 1/K2, and we'll solve it for CS. We'll get CS is equal to 2 epsilon A by D, K1 K2 by K1 plus K2. स्टूडेंट्स, अब हमारा जो प्रॉब्लम था उसमें फाइंड आउट करना था रेशियो ऑफ बोथ दिस कैपेसिटेंस CP by CS. So we had divided both these equations, and finally we got the answer CP by CS is equal to K1 plus K2 whole square upon 4 K1 plus K2. और लास्ट में हमें क्या गिवन है, दैट इफ़ K1 इज इक्वल टू 2 एंड K2 इज इक्वल टू 3, व्हाट विल बी द रेशो. सो इफ़ K1 इज इक्वल टू 2 एंड K2 is equal to 3, we'll put both these values, then we'll get the answer CP by CS is equal to 25/24. So it is all about for today's lecture. Have a nice day.